Yes, Sam, how you doing? Are you ready to edit this? The EX294? Yeah, I'm starting to get ready for the recording. I'm still scripting, but things are looking up and up. I managed to gather the information. The labs are going well. Setup is going well. So I just needed to get ready for the edits. Are you available this week, next week, throughout the remainder of the month, maybe beginning of September? Yeah. Okay. So, but I'm going to send you some test footage. Just don't put it out there. If you need to put it on YouTube, just put it as private or something, because this is gold. Okay, this information is it's just gold. All right. So if you put it on YouTube, just set it to private or unlisted. Don't put it out there yet. Okay, Sam? Yeah, sure. That's fine. Just main thing, don't make it public. Don't make it public. This is gold.